Okay, folks, let's look at this 3-mark algebraic fractions question for simplifying an algebraic fraction, okay, involving factorization, okay, involving factorizing. This is question 26 from the AQA June 2019, paper 1, and it's a higher tier paper, okay? So simplify fully, 4x minus 8x squared over 12x minus 6. So the key here, and it's worth 3 marks, is to factorize top and the bottom, so the numerator and denominator separately. So factorizing the top, putting out the highest common factors of 4x and 8x squared, that'll be 4x. 4x times what makes 4x, that'll be 1. And then 4x times what makes minus 8x squared, it'll be negative 2x or minus 2x. Okay, what about the bottom now? Bottom again, I can take out a factor of 6. Then I have 6 lots of 2x minus 1. Okay, so 6 times 2x makes 12x, and then 6 times minus 1 makes minus 6. Okay, I can now cancel the numerators here by dividing by 2, so we're going to get 2 here. We're now going to get 3. Now, this is the second part here. It's a bit more sneaky and a bit more trickier. So the top is actually the negative version of the bottom, or vice versa. So if I factor out a negative on the numerator, so I'm going to write it now as minus 2x or negative 2x, okay, in brackets, minus 1 plus 2x, okay. So I've just literally, flipped the signs, okay, for the numerator. So I've taken out a negative factor. Minus 1 plus 2x is the same as minus 1 plus 2x, or 2x minus 1. So I can now cancel this with this, leaving me with an answer of minus 2x over 3, or minus 2/3 x. Either would suffice. Okay. So I write it as minus 2/3 x. Okay, that's simplifying a slightly harder algebraic fractions problem involving factorization, okay, and obviously flipping the sign, okay. It's knowing that, minus 1 plus 2x is the same as 2x minus 1, and I got that by pulling out a minus on the top. Like, I could have pulled out a minus here on the bottom, actually, either way, would have given that same answer, okay. 2 over minus 3x, sorry, 2x over minus 3, same as, minus 2x over 3, or minus 2/3 x. Okay, that's how we simplify, I'd say, a slightly more challenging grade 6, grade 7 algebraic fractions. Okay, so whenever we see this, guys, simplify fully, always think factorization where possible. Okay, it might not always be the case. Whenever we have an algebraic fraction, always try to factorize where possible. Okay, unless you're looking at obviously laws of indices. Obviously, it's a bit more different. But try to obviously factorize fully, so pull out the highest common factor or factors, okay, of the 2 terms or the 3 terms or the 4 terms or whatever it is, okay, and then start cancelling down, okay, where possible. Okay, so that's solving a trickier algebraic fractions problem. Okay, thanks for watching.